Hi you all and welcome to my video. Today we'll be doing a Notion tour. This is my all-in-one productivity software that I plan on using in Q4 to help me reach all my goals and be consistent. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I had on these gray glasses, but I think I'm going to switch to the clear ones because I always wear the gray ones because they're my favorite. But for the sake of the thumbnail, I think it should be clear. Clear. I don't know why that came to my head. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's better. And I got my nails done. I'll add in the link to the latest you can shop with her Black-owned business. Alright, let's get started with screen recording. I'm going to record entire screen. I'm going to start off with my 2025 banner. So we have water, candle, new haircut, blogging, fashion, romance, journal. We're going to skip down a little bit. Apple Watch, you see that? Bands, pairs, going out, graduating, Bible verse, more Apple products, jewelry, which I got. A lot of this has already happened. A nice big burrito. I don't know why. 2025 concerts, my dream life / living braids, her phone, my planner launching, which it did. More Apple products, kitchen appliances, circle, I got that. Yeah, just more healthy living than a black girl with braids because, yeah, that just looks so fire to me. So I'm going to save the position here for you. That's what y'all saw, 2025. Now I'm going to scroll down a little bit to this face. Let's see, I can't zoom it in. But this is a face of a girl and it's just continuing because all you should see in the mirror is yourself and what you should do to improve yourself. So I really love this image. It may be on my Pinterest. I'll link it if I can. I'll just link my Pinterest, period. Okay, begin, darling. So for here, I don't know why. Yeah, that's better. That's how it's supposed to look. This is my index. I'm so sorry for the shaking. Let's see. Is it still going to shake? No, fixed it. Okay, this is like the home page, like the home feed of your iPad. So you can. Purple, favorite color is purple if this is your first time here. Yeah, so I have wish list, which is like products I want. I haven't added anything in here. My goal is to be on here more. Recipes, I'm going to add in fall recipes soon, but here are some that I found through a template. Words, like words to know. I just thought that was cool to help improve the brain, the spirit, so that's good. Notebook, I guess I wanted to journal in here. Let's see. Okay, I didn't journal. So this is things that I should do, and if you have Notion, then we should do it together. Fitness, I don't really work out, but I would love to get into it. Concerts, we all know who I want to see. I just want to hear their voice live in my ears. Yeah. So that's it for concerts. My goal is to get pictures of different concerts and add them in the Notion. Like I want Notion to be like a dream place for me. Let's see my quotes. Yeah, your now is not your forever. Nothing lasts. The world does not exist. I don't know who put that, but I'm deleting that because I don't believe in that. So we deleted that. And that sounds like that's about it for the index. Let's go back to the so it's a dream. Alrighty. Academic. The goal is to make an income. That's the quote. The goal is to be financially successful in all my academic journeys, because it's different journeys I'm on to get to the end goal, which is financial stability. So I have my academic plan. That's I mean, this is personal information, so that's why it's not here at the moment. My study board, so my college board on Pinterest, my academic plans, I won't be going in there. College work won't be going in there, or my school resources, or the packing aspect of college. And my new classes begin in a couple of weeks. So like things like dates and stuff I usually keep private to the internet. Now I have my personal finance tracker. I won't go in there either, but we can go into where I'm always at, my content database. Now this here, oh my gosh, I just updated her to the fullest because this is the best part of this video. So for my influencer slash content creator, you have everything and more. You have my email. I come here and everything is linked from here. Content creation hub, which is my business email, and then all my socials. Mostly I'm only consistent. Let's be honest, where am I consistent at? Okay, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, and Bendable. Now, I need to update the rest of these because my name is not changed from my old username. But other than that, you can find me on Instagram, Gravely Kai, TikTok, Pinterest, and here on YouTube. Same name everywhere. Now, if you see this calendar, you're probably thinking, what the world? But it gets a little crazier, so just hold on a second. To have fun posting, it's times to post. So sometimes I go through articles to see when are the best times to post. But other than that, I'm usually on my own schedule because I am a full-time college student. So school comes first and then I go to content. So that's usually why I've been posting a little later than usual. But I'm about to get back to posting in the morning, afternoon, and night. And collabs. This is fun, but I can't show this. Okay, I can show this. Okay, so here's my collabs page. The goal is to hit 100,000 followers at one point, then 1 million, 10 million. Dream big. You never know what can happen. But yeah, those are my goals. Collabs in progress. I can't show that part because some of them you can't talk about until after the program or campaign is over. So we have that. Affiliate links is how I make money through links everywhere I apply. I used to be really good at making sure I added that in, but at this point, I haven't been doing that. I think I need to start back. I don't know. But my follower count, because I want to start documenting my journey of my follower counts on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. And I started with October. I started with I think I started off with like 366. I'm not for sure, but TikTok is growing, YouTube is growing. Pinterest is never really growing in followers, but the monthly views grow a lot. And I want to get my monthly views up for Instagram. I was almost to 30 and I messed up in July. So I really want that to go to 30. I don't know why 30, but I do. And here is another mini folder in the gallery view for when I run out of ideas. For when I run out of ideas. But that usually doesn't happen. And UFP is my Etsy shop, so I'm going to probably add something in here every now and then. And I'll add a special part when I'm done. I have some exciting news coming for Unlimited Freedom Planner. Here is everything I've posted so far in October. This was, let's see what was crazy. Yeah. Monday, October 6th was the craziest posting day I've had. All of that actually went up. And this was yesterday. I also posted nails. So I'm gonna show you how I did that. So I posted 2 sets of nails. Purple nails that my sister bought me. So I'm just gonna do purple Temu nails. And then I'm going to do platforms. I organized this so much. And I got this template from my girl. So I'll incorporate her link in the description box. So IGR stands for IG Reels. TT stands for TikTok. YTS stands for YouTube Shorts. And PIN stands for Pinterest. So that is where all my short form. Sorry, Temu was not spelled correctly. That's where all my short form content goes, but Pinterest goes to the next day because it cross posts from Instagram. The status for that is uploaded, but It's all right here, depending on what I'm doing. Now, you click New Instagram. Well, I say captions because sometimes I may have different captions I may want to go with, and I remove that. If I'm using ChatGPT, they'll help me, but I'll be like, thank you to my little sis for the nails. Then make sure to shop Temu. They start nails at like 67 cents, blah, 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 which is true. You can find nails under $1 on Temu. It's the best thing ever. But you do have to order in advance if you want the nails for a certain occasion because it takes at least 2 to 3 weeks to ship. So yeah, that's how you create a template in this content calendar. And then I'm going to do nails one more time because that was an extra post, which was LA girl. So I'll do, because this really helps me understand and keep me accountable because some days I don't feel like posting, but I have content, like I said, from March. And some days I just don't feel like posting, which is okay to take a break, but the way I need to have my content going to keep growing is to be consistent. But this is coming from a person who posted twice a week. I posted Tuesday and Thursday last year in 2023. No, yeah, 2023, 2024, twice a week. Did it, got really busy late last year because I started receiving so much PR, and that really helped take my content to the next level. Now, this week is a shorter week, which I am so thankful for. And this is my YouTube video that I'm filming here. So this is the Notion tour, and this is what my YouTube template looks like. Title ideas, thumbnail ideas, research and notes, script, B-rolls, editing checklist, publishing checklist, and post-publishing checklist. Oh, so this calendar is something I haven't done in a very long time. And as you can see, this is how everything can look. Let's see when the last time I posted. I think it was like March. Oh, okay, I did April somehow. Okay, I did May. Didn't end up filming it because it just wasn't gonna work out. But yeah, this is my first time doing it in October. I really want to go into 23 more organized, more consistent. How to start a good routine, read my books, and all that good stuff. But this is something that's going to hold me accountable because I don't have to think, what do I want to post? I can just go here and post from there, which makes more sense. It helps me out. So, yeah, that's it for my content database. I really am excited to get in this more and just to be more organized. Now, let's go to everywhere else. Habit tracker. I haven't added anything in here, but I do want to have some healthy habits. Did I do unlimited freedom planner? No, I didn't. So here's my unlimited freedom planner database. As you can see, I really try to be as organized as possible. And then life happens and I get off track and all that, but I want to do better. Study abroad planner. This is for when I want to do study abroad next term. And I just add in here. My favorite one is the gallery. I love the gallery view because it's just like books. So here are my books that I've read. And I don't know why that's down there. It should be up there. Here we go. There's a past version of you that is so proud of how far you have come. And I love this quote really because like the little girl in me is so happy with how my life is going and everything I dreamed of. So I really do love that quote. Okay, so that was my bookshelf. I'm gonna add in my new. Let me start the screen recording back because it left. So these are some places other people left them going to. Well, not other people. Person who created this template, and from there I'll go and look at it and see if I want to keep it or delete it. That's my travel manager, and then my travel planner. This is where I want to incorporate like a post travel, so add in pictures, almost like a timestamp or a what you call this thing where you put the, it's not a bullet journal. It's a like a photo book, and I forgot the name. I'll incorporate the name here. But that's what I want to do, post travel, add in all my pictures, my videos, and just my thoughts. Just put it down here. And really that's it for my Pinterest. For my Notion. Don't quit is a quote I just added. I uploaded all these images the other day, so it's updated on my Notion board. That'll be down in the description. This just says don't quit, but you see it's crossed out. It says do it, so you get two quotes in one. And that's just where I want to be. I want to be very organized. I want to be consistent. Work harder and dream bigger. Just keep going. And that's my Notion. And here, this is my Notion. I love her. Let's see. Okay. I love her so much. Everything is purple, just how I like it. And she will be customized. I cannot wait to do my plan for Vlogmas. It's my first time on YouTube. So during the Christmas time, this will be so much fun doing long form content. Because last year I did short form, so I need to start planning out all my content for that. And this has been so much fun. Thank you for watching my Notion tour. Let me know if you think I should add something else as a page, something fun, something that can help me. And if you use Notion, tell me what's your #1 favorite feature. And do you like the Notion calendar? Because I like it to see my content, but I just go to the content database. Y'all have a great life.